Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our channel, thank you. The ultimate maintenance guide for your Ford F-150 2024. Keeping your Ford F-150 running smoothly isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about ensuring peak performance, longevity, and safety. Regular maintenance for this iconic truck can feel like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you might think. Whether it's routine oil changes, tire rotations, or brake inspections, staying on top of these tasks can save you time and money in the long run. In this video, we'll break down the essential maintenance steps for your Ford F-150, making it easier for you to keep your truck in top shape. You'll find practical tips and schedules that align with Ford's recommendations, helping you understand what to do when to do it, and why it matters. Let's get started on making your F-150 last for years to come. Scheduled maintenance intervals. Keeping your Ford F-150 in top shape means following a well-defined maintenance schedule. This ensures that your truck performs at its best, stays safe, and lasts longer. Here's a detailed breakdown of what needs to be done and when. Every 5,000 miles. At every 5,000 miles, it's crucial to carry out several basic maintenance tasks. These help keep your truck running smoothly and catch any minor issues before they become big problems. Oil change. Changing the oil and oil filter ensures that your engine stays lubricated and runs efficiently. Fresh oil reduces friction, preventing engine wear and tear. Tire rotation. Rotating your tires helps them wear evenly, which extends their lifespan and improves your truck's handling. Uneven tire wear can lead to vibrations and alignment issues. Brake inspection. Checking the brake pads and rotors for wear is essential. Well-maintained brakes are vital for your safety and can prevent costly repairs down the road. Every 15,000 miles. Once your truck hits the 15,000-mile mark, it's time to go a bit deeper with the maintenance tasks. Keeping up with these recommendations ensures that your F-150 continues to perform reliably. Air filter replacement. The air filter keeps dirt and debris from entering your engine. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency and performance. Detailed brake system check. Besides inspecting the brake pads and rotors, a detailed check includes looking at the brake fluid and lines. This ensures your brakes have a consistent feel and stop reliably. Every 30,000 miles. At every 30,000 miles, additional components need attention to keep your truck running at its best. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in your engine. Replacing them ensures smooth engine performance and better fuel efficiency. Transmission fluid check. Checking and replacing the transmission fluid keeps your transmission running smoothly. Clean fluid prevents overheating and wear. Fuel filter replacement. A clean fuel filter ensures your engine gets a steady supply of clean fuel. This helps maintain performance and fuel economy. Every 60,000 miles. When your F-150 reaches 60,000 miles, it's time for a thorough inspection of several key components. Engine components inspection. This includes checking the belts, hoses, and other essential engine parts for wear and tear. Catching issues early can prevent breakdowns and costly repairs. Cooling system check. Inspecting the radiator, coolant levels, and hoses keep your engine from overheating. A well-maintained cooling system ensures that your truck runs efficiently, even in hot conditions. Every 100,000 miles. At the 100,000-mile mark, your F-150 will need some significant maintenance to keep it running smoothly for the long haul. Timing belt replacement. The timing belt coordinates the engine's functions. Replacing it prevents engine damage and ensures everything runs in sync. Comprehensive systems check. This includes a detailed inspection of all the vehicle's systems, from the engine to the electrical components. Ensuring everything is in good shape helps prevent unexpected issues and keeps your truck reliable. Following these maintenance intervals can help you avoid unexpected issues, keep your truck performing well, and extend its life. Stay on top of these tasks, and your Ford F-150 will reward you with years of dependable service. Essential maintenance tasks. Maintaining your Ford F-150 is key to keeping it running efficiently and reliably. Paying attention to essential maintenance tasks can prevent major issues down the line. Here are some critical tasks you shouldn't overlook. Oil and filter changes. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial for your engine's health. Oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and wear. Over time, oil breaks down and gets contaminated with dirt and metal particles, which can cause damage. Frequency. Change the oil and filter every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Benefits. Lubricates engine parts, reduces friction and wear, improves fuel efficiency. Signs you need a change. Dark, dirty oil, engine noise, oil change light on the dashboard. Brake system maintenance. Your brakes are critical for safety. Proper brake maintenance ensures that you can stop efficiently and avoid accidents. This involves checking the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Brake pad replacement. Worn brake pads can reduce stopping power and damage rotors. Replace them every 30,000 to 70,000 miles. Rotor inspection. Check rotors for signs of warping or wear. Warped rotors can cause vibrations and reduce braking efficiency. Brake fluid check. Brake fluid is essential for hydraulic braking systems. Low or dirty fluid can lead to brake failure. Check and replace it as needed. Tire care. Tires are your truck's connection to the road. Proper tire maintenance enhances safety, improves fuel efficiency, and extends tire life. Tire rotation. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles ensures even wear. This improves handling and extends tire life. Alignment. Proper alignment prevents uneven tire wear and improves fuel efficiency. Get it checked if you notice your truck pulling to one side. Tire pressure. Keeping tires at the correct pressure improves fuel economy and handling. Check tire pressure monthly and before long trips. Battery maintenance. A functioning battery is crucial for starting your truck and powering electrical components. Regular battery maintenance ensures reliability and prevents unexpected failures. Battery checks. Inspect the battery for signs of corrosion or damage. Test the voltage regularly, especially before winter. Cleaning terminals. Corroded terminals can lead to poor connections and starting problems. Clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water. Replacement. Batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. If your battery is older, consider replacing it to avoid issues. Regular maintenance tasks like oil changes, brake inspections, tire care, and battery checks are essential for keeping your Ford F-150 in top condition. Stay on top of these tasks to ensure your truck remains reliable and safe. Cost-saving tips for maintenance. Maintaining your Ford F-150 doesn't have to break the bank. Follow these cost-saving tips to keep your truck in top condition without spending a fortune. Maintenance. Performing simple maintenance tasks at home can save you money and help you understand your vehicle better. Here are some easy tasks you can do yourself. Oil and filter changes. Changing the oil and filter is a straightforward job. Make sure to have fresh oil and a new filter before you start. Follow the steps in your owner's manual. Thanks for watching part 1 of our ultimate maintenance guide for your Ford F-150. Stay tuned for part 2. For more tips and insights to keep your truck in top shape. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.